Hello, my name is Kenny Tong, and I am the Customer Success Manager at AssetIntel. Today, I'm very excited to share some of our monthly InspectX updates with you. Traditionally, admins were only able to configure forms for different inspection types. But we have made a significant improvement to the admin section. Now admins can also configure forms at the asset level, offering users more ways to access their data. So if you're an admin, click on the gear icon in the top right, go to Admin Settings, go to Forms. Now for the asset type NBI bridges, you will see a section called Assets. Previously, you can only configure forms for inspection types. Now you can configure forms at the asset level. So to configure the pages, you click on Edit, and I'm going to create a section called SNBI. And within this SNBI section, I am going to add two subpages for demonstration. So for the first subpage, I'm going to call it Bridge Information. And I'm going to add a dummy icon here. And then for the second subpage, I'm going to select a many-to-one dataset. So for the SNBI dataset, let's select span sets. And I'm going to call it span sets as a title with the same icon as above. Now I hit save to save the pages. And then I'm going to go to forms and start configuring the forms for the subpages. So I created a section called SNBI, so let's go here. And as you can see, for bridge information, there's nothing configured. So I'm going to click on Edit to start the configuration. And I have the option to add a single column layout or a double column layout. So let's do both. So for the first single column layout, let's call it Bridge Info. And I am going to add a few fields from the drop down. And let's add bridge name and then previous bridge number. And you can also add any agency fields or NBI fields as well. So let's just pick location. And then for the double column layout, let's call it geometry. And we'll add a few fields here as well. So for geometry is b.g. So I'm gonna select b.g 1 through 3 on the left and then 4 through 6 on the right. And for the sort order, this is gonna organize the sections based on the number we put in. And once I hit save, the forms will be configured for the bridge information. Next, you have a section called span sets. So since this is a many-to-one dataset, it automatically pulls all the attributes within the span sets. So we don't need to do anything with it. It's already automatically configured. Now the forms are configured. So let's go check out the bridge page. Go to Inventory, and I'm going to select a random bridge. Now you can see a section called SNBI. I'm going to click on that, and then the forms will be configured, as you can see, with a single column layout with the attribute information, the data, and then a double column layout. And then if you expand the sidebar menu on the left, you have the bridge information, and then next you have the span sets. This is a many-to-one data set. So you can view the data from left to right, or you can click on the eye icon to view the information in a tabular format. So being able to configure forms at the asset level, users can now easily review asset information without having to enter an inspection first. This is especially helpful for agencies when they gradually transition to the new SNBI code. Those were the major updates for this month. Stay tuned for our next installment with more amazing updates on InspectX.
Hello, I'm Hooman Parvarde and I'm the CEO at AssetIntel. Today I'm very excited to share the updates of Emergency X software with you. In this month's update, I want to highlight the new bidirectional sync feature between Emergency X and InspectX. By default, every weekend, all updates from InspectX automatically syncs to Emergency X. This includes any data field that were updated during regular inspections in InspectX. This data sync ensures that Emergency X users have access to up-to-date information such as condition ratings, last inspection dates, and more. Additionally, any data fields updated in Emergency X during emergency response inspections such as flood or earthquake are also synced back to InspectX. This bidirectional sync ensures that clients always have the most current information across both systems, whether for routine inspections or emergency situations. If your organization is interested in more advanced sync functionalities, such as automatically saving Emergency X inspection PDF reports or scheduling inspections in InspectX when issues are discovered during an Emergency X event, or even managing more complex scenarios, you can customize a solution to meet those needs. Lastly, if your organization currently uses another inspection platform, we can work with you to establish a sync between Emergency X and your platform, ensuring seamless and efficient integration across platforms.
Hey folks, this is your man Shantanu back again with a few more updates from Inside AssetIntel. At AssetIntel, we continuously strive towards providing our clients with the most advanced and innovative tech products and tools that help them optimize their operations. We are really proud to announce that the states of North Dakota, Tennessee, Vermont, and Georgia have officially gone live with SNBIX. What is SNBIX, you ask? Well, SNBIX helps you seamlessly transition from NBI to SNBI standards. This helps our clients focus on collecting data for portions of SNBI that otherwise do not have an NBI data field. By the way, this also eliminates manual data transition that helps them in improving time efficiency, minimizing error, and obviously eliminating the tedious work of manual data transition. By the way, if you're really interested in understanding and learning more about SNBIX, check out the link that is provided in the description below. I'm really proud to introduce Joe Garvey as our Chief Growth Officer. Joe comes with an extensive experience and knowledge for over 25 years in the public asset infrastructure management industry and has developed the business for a lot of software companies catering to the same. We are really excited to have Joe in the team and look forward to learn and be mentored about the various aspects of the industry. Well guys, that's all for this month. Stay tuned for next month as we come with more exciting updates about our products and some more amazing insights into AssetIntel. Meanwhile, you can check out our webinars explaining SNBIX right here. At the same time, do check out our SNBIX from the link in the description as mentioned. And as always, subscribe.